What's up, guys? Welcome to the Fomo Factory. Happy to have you back. Happy Tuesday. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin market because it's kind of make or break time, in my opinion. Either we get a kind of big relief rally or we will see a major dump. So I would like to shortly go over, the possibilities there. And I got a lot of comments from you guys on my channel. Once in a while, I like to go over these comments because, you guys have probably questions or suggestions or anything. And that's always leading to some nice content. So let's get right into it. If you haven't subscribed to the Fomo Factory, feel free to subscribe to the channel. Channel is, moving more up than Bitcoin does. So when it comes to that, I'm doing pretty fine. The crypto market as it is right now is looking pretty exciting. DXY is still coming down. Let's start there. So that's, usually a good thing, right? DXY coming down means stocks and crypto going up. Yeah, crypto is now not going up because of its own narrative, which was, the FTX collapse and all the suffering that caused that. Otherwise, if that didn't happen, then I think Bitcoin was sitting well around $25,000. But that's not relevant, unfortunately, for now. But I would like to go over some things because one, DXY, yes, coming down, very good, but the DXY has to bounce somewhere, right? And I think it's slightly likely that the DXY will, at least bounce at around the 1.4 or 104, 105 level. So keep that in mind. That's a big level for the DXY. If it bounces right there, it means stocks are going down. And usually crypto goes down as well, right? Unfortunately, Bitcoin does not have a lot of room to go down. Where that I had the chart that I just showed you. Here we go. So Bitcoin does not have a lot of room to go down because we already had that, kind of major crash of 25%, right? And now we are sitting around that support level. Like the lowest level was 15.5. We're now sitting at 16.8. So we're sitting relatively high when we compare to that. So that might cause that Bitcoin will go down. Also, the stochastic RSI on the shorter time frames show that it's very overbought and that we might come down. And if we look at this pattern right here, it also shows perfectly that we get rejections from this level. So it's very likely, in my opinion, that we will go down to at least low 16. That's basically what I expect for Bitcoin to do. So I'm having a Bitcoin short open right now. I have my stop loss sitting slightly above 17K though, because, if we break out of this pattern and we finally beat this, resistance that we have going on right here, the first major support resistance level is our major previous support level, which is around $18,500. So if we break out of this range, there's not a lot, right, to go back to this level. That $18,500, give or take, could be 18.2, could be 86, around that level. So it could go both cases. I suspect the best chance to happen is that we go down. So, keep that in mind. We'll see what's going to happen in the coming few. I think this is, playing out in a couple of coming days, right? It doesn't have to happen today. But closing today, especially above, well, let it be around, well, today, tomorrow morning, above that 16.8 would be very good. That will be a good sign for the bull. So please keep that in mind. Now, like I said, I would like to go over some comments because I don't know what the fuck am I doing here. I would like to go over some comments because you guys, you always have like some good questions or some nice comments, and that's helping everybody right here. So I won't go all about all of them. Someone said Tosa Yinu TOS token. Okay, first thing, it's a pretty deep bear market now, and what I would recommend is not looking too much at the Yinus or at these meme coins, at these low cap. I know already that this is some kind of a low cap, micro cap kind of meme shit token or whatever. Don't look too much at that because surviving a bear market for a very good protocol with a lot of funds and a lot of income stream is already hard enough. Like the tokens coming from nowhere, yeah, these could make you some overnight gains if they have some hype going on, but then also die pretty soon. So I don't think it's the best time to look at that kind of stuff. If you really want to gamble and YOLO into shit, you know, be my guest, but be a little careful when it comes to that. But maybe I'm judging. Tosai. Okay, cool. So that's already a good thing. Yeah, look, like if you ever see a coin with such a supply, then yeah, then you kind of know that it's a shit coin, right? I mean, the supply right here, it's kind of incredible. And yes, you could argue, like I saw, it's up 40%, but that's probably because the market cap is so low that, yeah, that's very understandable. Look, yeah, here, market cap $200,000. So yeah, this could go up 10x and this could crash 10x in a day as well. So don't stare blind at these things right now, I would say. It's just a very big gamble, these kind of coins right here. I made a video saying I lost $200,000 and someone said, must hurt, next bull run will be around the Bitcoin halving. Don't buy too soon. The next bull run will be around the Bitcoin halving. Don't buy too soon. Yeah, kind of agree on that. Not, you know, it depends. Like, what do you mean with around the Bitcoin halving? Like, the Bitcoin halving is around here, and I made a video, and that's coming out tomorrow, the day after tomorrow. It's a long video, 40 minutes, but really watch that video because I go completely over this rainbow fucking chart that you see right here, and it all makes sense, and it shows you exactly what I think, where Bitcoin is going, where it is going, when it is going there, what happens in the meantime, and it's not just a pure gamble. It's based on the statistics we have so far, you know, when we go back to our, you know, 2010 basically, right? So but to put it very short, once the Bitcoin halving is going on, I don't think we are. Yeah, it around that will the bull run begin. I agree on you, to put it very shortly. So, but don't buy too soon. Yeah, check out tomorrow's video to find out what I think about that. But this is a good comment. This is Dutch, but he says, what would you buy with $800 for the next bull run? At least. I prefer 3 or 4 coins. Well, that's already good. Like with $800, I think 3-4 coins would be best. So that's a good amount. You cannot put in like 10 coins with $800, like then it's all getting messy and all that. So what I would buy, it depends completely on. Okay, that's not the question what you should buy. What I would buy, well, when it goes for you at least, it depends completely on your, you know, your risk tolerance and what kind of coins you like. But if I would have $800 right now to invest for the next bull run, I would go for Bitcoin. Why? Because that's basically almost the only coin that you are, you know, as far as you can be certain, you know, about that will make you gains and that doesn't go away in the bear market. So I would put in, like, if I have $800, let me write this down for you. This may be a you know, a low cash, relative low cash. We're not talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars, of course. Low cash portfolio that could make you money. Why are you already? Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go. With $800, I will put in Bitcoin. I will put in, and this is boring, I know, Ethereum. But why? Well, also because I think Ethereum could 20x. I think Bitcoin will at least 10x, at least. So, and that's kind of safe as well, right? So there's no better risk reward ratio than that, basically. Plus the fact that Ethereum is now actually deflationary. Like, everybody moved from the CEXs to the DEXs, and they used Uniswap so much that a lot of Ethereum was burned. And now, since the merge, over 5,000 Ethereum has been burned. It's gone. It's completely gone. So we'll know now once there is a little trading volume, Ethereum is actually deflationary. Let alone what happens in the bull run. So in the bull run, when Ethereum goes up already in the first place, it's also deflationary. I think Ethereum is going to flip the fuck out of Bitcoin in the next bull run. I don't know if you agree on that or not, but I think it is. So I will definitely buy Ethereum with that. Yeah, and then it's getting hard, of course. But what I would do, $800 in total, right? Let's assume you do not need that $800, right? Because like if you really need it, then you shouldn't invest it in the first place. If you feel like I want to take some gambles, yeah, you can put Solana in. If you want to buy right now, it's a great buy, right? Maybe it will be lower later, but Solana at 50. How many people said, "Oh, I'm going to buy Solana pre-$20," and now it's pre-$20 or under $20, and everybody's saying, "Fuck Solana, I'm not going to buy it." I would buy Solana, hell yeah. I would buy me some CDFI, S-Fund. Why? It's a crypto gaming launchpad. I talk about that a lot. It's very low in price compared to where it was. And I just feel like crypto gaming has a very big future. And this is the leading launchpad in crypto gaming and metaverse. So in the bull run, when there's actually money again and people want to invest in startups and new projects are coming out, they want to get that before these tokens hit the market, right? In a bear market, it's no use. Like everything that releases now is going down. But in a bull run, CDFI released projects that did over 600x. So can you imagine if you invest in one IDO, you already do a 600x. Crazy, right? The CDFI is now pretty cheap. Max was higher than this, but it was around $18, give or take. It's now sitting near $1. I will definitely buy CDFI. So that's what I'm doing. And let me take a look at, I have to take a peek at my own portfolio as well. I think I have something in my medium risk maybe that I'm gonna buy then. I think I will go, not to go too risky right here, but still for some good gains. I think I will go for Uniswap, man. Because Uniswap is... you know, that will survive the bear market because it makes over $1 million a day out of revenue because of the fees and everything. So Uniswap has the money to come by, right? So that will survive. I don't see another DEX replacing Uniswap as well. I don't see that happen. It is the biggest DEX on Ethereum. I believe in Ethereum. So I have to believe in the DEX on Ethereum. And since CEXs are now all messed up, I think DeFi would be very big next bull run. And what's basically the biggest, you know, the most used DeFi product out there, that's Uniswap. So I will go with you. Yeah, I will go with Uniswap as well. Plus, it's, you know, sitting now also pretty far from its all-time high. If we look at Uniswap, and yeah, it's still high cap. Like this is not a, like if you are looking for a token that might do it 1000x or wreck you, yeah, then Uniswap is not the thing. But I think Uniswap is a guaranteed 20x, right? And might even maybe it be more. Like it came from $45. It's now sitting at $6, right? Yeah, I think this is a great bet. So I will go with these. And to be completely honest, I'm gonna just put in 200 each. I will do that. Like, and that depends on your risk tolerance, right? If you're very cautious, you know, you can do 250 in Bitcoin, you can do 250 in ETH, and 100 in S-Fund, and 115 S-Fund, or 150 in Uniswap. You can also make it like this. It depends on your risk tolerance, but I will go with 200 each. So that's kind of what I would do. So I hope you get a cool answer with that. 5 micro cap altcoins, 100x your portfolio. First coin, Meta. I don't know, bro. Are you from the Netherlands? Yes, I am. You're giving away $100,000 portfolio. Seems too good to be true. You're telling me that the portfolio is worth $100,000. Bro, no, that's but you have to watch the video, because I said there that I am making a portfolio where I will invest $1,500 up till $3,000, and that the goal is to make such a great portfolio that can do 100x, right? So that will be more than a 100K portfolio then. So I don't have $100,000 sitting in it right now, but by the time Bitcoin hits $100,000, that's when we give the portfolio away. And I think that portfolio will be 100K plus by then. Put in Casper. Now, the portfolio has already been made and decided by the community. We had Casper for a while, by the way. Well, wait. You're saying something else, because I was talking about Casper and you say Caspa or something like that, right? Caspa. I don't know that. What's Casper? Let me really, I'm not going to do full research on this. I'm not bore you guys with it, but I want to see what it is. Circulating supply, total supply, fucking on point. So that's nice. Market cap quite high for something that I don't know. So what is it? It is only on shit exchanges though. That's too bad. Like, aren't there more? Oh, too bad. No, I don't like these exchanges though. I don't know TXBit. I only know basically Maxi, but it's definitely not a top tier exchange or anything. But okay, what is this? Let me first take a look at the price, by the way. Yeah, you're kidding me, bro? Like, okay, you cannot, no matter how good the project is, no matter how groundbreaking it is and all, you cannot look at the price chart sitting right on top of the all-time high ever and then say, buy this. Like in the bear market, we have so many discounts and great possibilities right now and good projects being far down, and why then buy the top of something? Like, that's not making sense for me to do that. So yeah, and if it's a good project, yeah, you can buy it, but don't buy here. Like, at least wait for, after something like this, there's always a retest, right? So please wait for that. I mean, it's like, here is the same, right? Let me go back a little bit. Oh, where the fuck am I going? Right, so whatever. So it's the same as that we had right here, right? You're basically saying buy it here. Well, at least wait to calm down, right? But no. And what is it? Beyond the block Casper, another layer one. Okay, the world's first block DAG. Okay, so that's cool. All right. Fair launch date. All right. Circulating supply and a max supply. Then why? Oh, tokenomics are not that good as what I thought. But the total supply is it, so maybe the rest is burnt or anything. Let's take a look at that. Block time 1 second. So wow. Okay, that's fast. Yeah. All right. I'm gonna save this. Looks like a very interesting project. But shit exchanges, so no good exchanges, and the worst time to buy, to put it like that. So not at this moment, at least. Suggest a 50x token. Yeah, I'm doing nothing else on this channel and watch my videos. Let me take a look. Yeah, so I made this video how I lost 200k so far, and what I said there is basically that I was buying like the dip and the dip and the dip, right? Like if you are in a bear market and you feel like, oh, we're down, let's buy the dip. Yeah, after that there's another dip, and then you buy this dip and you buy that dip. Overall, you will still be down, right? So I stopped doing that, and what I basically said there, right, was like, you better wait for it to really bottom and, you know, finally go up. And even if you buy there, you miss out on these gains right here. Of course you do, but you at least don't make these losses, so your overall would be way better than if you buy the dip all the time. And that's what I'm doing right now. I've been investing every time Bitcoin loses 25-50%. Isn't working for me though too. Yeah, well, that's not that bad. Like, there's also people buying every 5% dip. Like, that's really terrible. Like, if you buy every time when Bitcoin loses 25 or 50%, look, these are big drops, right? Like from here, 25 to 50%. So you bought somewhere between 50K and 35K. Right, so you bought somewhere here, but from that moment, another 25 till 50%, 37 up till here. So you would buy here. Yeah, okay, not really working. No, no, you shouldn't do that. No. All right, I don't think it's going to happen like what you are saying. What if the fuckers who are in control, the key rock pull? So I said, do this in a bear market, and this video was about what was the video? The crypto how this is how to handle the crypto crash. What was I saying? Oh, staking. Okay, this video was about staking crypto, and you say I don't think it is going to happen like you are saying. What if the fuckers who control the key rug pull your coin project? So you shouldn't buy crypto? What? I don't get the point. Sorry, it's not you, it's me. I don't know. I'm a believer in MetaHero. All right, let's take a look at MetaHero, bro. MetaHero. What is that? Rank 500, pretty high. Market cap $30 million. Fully diluted 38. So it's pretty high cap. It's not a single game or anything, right? We're the gateway into the metaverse. Crypto meets 3D scanning technology together. Blah, blah, blah. It seems quite high cap for... Okay. Markets. It's on PancakeSwap, Gate, KuCoin, Crypto.com... Bybit, Maxi. They have a lot of listings though. Okay, I'm gonna have to review that. I'm not really familiar with this project. Well, let's check it out. New favorite YouTuber, I appreciate that. Oh yeah, guys, please watch out. I thought these guys, this right here, I'm not sure if these guys are bots or just really big believers in the project, but because I have a lot of people lately shilling something called WWY, and WWY is WeWay, and WeWay, I don't know exactly what this is, but I got a lot of people on this channel talking about this coin. Well, I feel like, yeah, I don't know about this, like, only because of the market cap being $4 million and the fully diluted market cap is $66 million. Yeah, if you aping it to something like this, do check out, whatever the fuck it is, do check out their token investing, right? Because this has terrible tokenomics, right? Terrible tokenomics. So that's really not looking good. If all the tokens get vested, there's a 15x dumping on you. So this could drastically drive the price down, though. That's saying this without looking at the specific project, though. You have to take a look at the white paper. But, you know, at a certain point, I guess, you know, at least a big part of this is getting vested, right? And that will wreck you. So just be a little careful with that. That's all I'm saying. I don't think Bitcoin was going to go any lower, but after the FTX collapse, I'm not sure anymore. Yeah, nothing is sure anymore. You don't know who you can trust right here. So, yeah, it's kind of fucked up, right? Let me take a look. Oh my God. Yeah, here we go. So I said top 5 altcoins to buy in the crypto bear market. This is a video short. I don't know if you watch these. And someone says, these are normal altcoins here. They're unlikely to 10x. Let me quickly see what altcoins these are. My top 5 bear market altcoins to make a ton of money in the next bull market. Number 1, Seedify, the leading crypto gaming and metaverse launchpad to invest in new crypto startups. Number 2, Phantom, a cheap, fast and undervalued layer 1 that underpromises and overdelivers. 3, Matic, A layer 2 with insane partnerships, fast transactions, and perfect for gaming platforms to build their product on. Number 4, BNB, the native token of the biggest exchange in the world, a fast and a cheap layer 1, countless use cases, and pretty much immune to the bear market. Number 5, Trader Joe, the leading DEX. Yeah, I'm not sure I agree with you. Look, they're unlikely to give it 10x. Look, like I call 2 pretty high cap coins right there, BNB and Matic. I mean, BNB is already quite high and Matic is already quite high. So they already have a big market cap. So if anything is hard, then it must be hard for these 2. But these 2 are also the exact only 2 basically coins that are kind of immune to this bear market. I mean, BNB Bitcoin pair made all-time highs in this bear market, right? So when the bull market comes, I think BNB will explode, will really explode. And this is one of the strongest coins in the market right now. Polygon as well. Polygon is not that far from its all-time high. It's staying up very strong and it's doing really fantastic. It has a good product, good working, good partnerships. Yeah, for the rest, we talk about CDFI, we talk about Phantom and Trader Joe. Like, I will be surprised if they won't do a 10x. Maybe not Phantom because it won't recover anymore. CDFI, I'm willing to bet that CDFI does a 10x, and I'm kind of willing to bet that, you know, Trader Joe does a 10x as well. But he talks about that WWY or something like that, and ESNC. I think I participated in this, and I think this is the same problem. Yeah, Galaxy Arena Metaverse. Like, also, problem with these kind of projects. I participated in the pre-sale of this project through Engine Starter, but now it's getting refunded because it's sitting below IGO price, and you know that's like not like, I mean, it's already. I think like the IGO price was 4 or 5 cents. Yeah, it's not even out for a month, right? And it's already twice as low. So that's kind of really bad. And that's also the case because, you know, with these kind of releases, there are a lot of token investors coming yet. So ENSC it was, right? Or ENCS? What the fuck was it? ESNC. Shit. SNC. Maybe I'm messing this up so bad. ESNC. Galaxy Arena. Do they have the information? Like, here we go. Come on. Like, this is ridiculous. Market cap $500,000. Fully diluted $20 million. Like, so this has a 40x token vesting. So I don't know, bro, but if you like, yeah, apart from how good the project is, right? But if you invest in it right now, you will probably lose a lot of money. A lot of money, right? Because just because of the token vesting alone, right? And yeah, it is like low cap. So this could easily do 4 or 5x overnight. But if you just invest right now, I'm going to tell you, in half a year, the price will be 5 times as low, at least. So I get what you're saying because these are low cap and these are good projects, but the tokenomics suck. So please watch out with that. Really, don't wreck yourself. How long are we into the video? Is it still nice? Otherwise, if it's not like fun anymore, you just turn the fuck it off. I don't care. Let me see. Is there anything else that should be really? Oh yeah, here we go. This is funny as well. So yeah, I was saying in this video as well. Like I said at the beginning in this video, I said, if the FTX collapse didn't happen, Bitcoin would be sitting at 25 already. Response to that was sitting at 25. Mate, nothing changed. It was FTX that created the dump, but we are in a lower high scenario anyway with rejection from the 21 weekly EMA, and we are going lower. Next steps I'm waiting for since last year. DXY is not done. Bull diversions in play. So bullish diversions in play. Okay, cool. That's a slightly different story, but look, yeah, indeed, nothing changed. Like, look. When we were that low, again, in June, right, we were sitting at $17,500 and we rallied all the way up to more than 25K, right? While the DXY was really only going up, right? So that was a purely crypto relief rally, this right here. Now, right, we finally have a general macro relief rally. Like stocks are going up, the XY is coming down, inflation is getting lower. Like, and yeah, this is all mid-short term. Like in the longer term, it could still go down, of course, definitely. But this move right here, 7% downwards move on the DXY is quite a lot. Like, look at what the what rally the S&P 500 had, right? It went up 13%. Usually when the S&P goes up that much, you'll see a very nice run in crypto. I mean, this was from June to August with the S&P as well. We had an 19% run up, right? That made crypto go from 17 to 25. Now that's slightly less. So yeah, it could definitely be that crypto, that Bitcoin was going to that level, maybe 24, but well over 20, because indeed nothing really changed. So also not the reason why we could not have had this kind of relief rally again. Like, it was purely the FTX situation that was standing in our way, basically, in my opinion. So yeah. Here, WeWay again, please, guys. I don't know. It sounds like these are bots. I'm not sure though, because they are really kind of responding personal, but they talk like bots. LCX, yeah. Look, someone said like at the top 5 altcoins. Someone says Hex, Pulse Chain, PulseX, Hendron, and Maxi. I don't know these two, but you're listening way too much to Richard Hart. Like. I saw a clip fucking yesterday. I don't know. I want to find it, by the way, of Richard Hart again. Like, guys, only because of Richard Hart, I will never invest a cent in Hex. Like, what a moron, retarded fuck are you going to be if you're going to listen to Richard Hart? Sorry, no, and not because, like, let me search it up, like, because a lot of people might now feel like, oh, what the fuck, you bashing me for? I will search it up for you guys in the meantime, because I don't even know where it is, man.
When you're printing infinite free money, and gave it away for free to Bitcoin.
And if yes, what do you think? What do you think they'll get back? FTX
and their payouts in your heads of Bitcoin. That's where the price 15% of coin. I'm so because people like to front 9K for one single day.
Okay, so he was on Crypto Mentor, right? And the stuff that he says, it's like he says worse shit. Like, he's not talking any weird stuff right here. But the only reason that I will never invest in Hex is because of what he said right here. Let me check if my sound is really on, by the way.
And
yeah, okay, so check this out.
That puts us at 10,350 for a 69% drop. Just go into your calculator times 0.15 times 69,000. It gets you 10,350.
So he's calling 10,350.
Yeah, that's 85% drop. Now, truth be told, we could go more than that. That's where the praying comes in. Because now that money's getting more expensive for the first time in our lifetimes, money is getting more expensive. Oh, well, that's weird. We're used to infinite money printing. Nope. Prices of everything are going to keep going.
Look, and this still all makes sense, right? What he's saying right here. It's okay. It's okay. It's cool. It's fine. Nothing wrong with that.
Down, as long as the Fed keeps raising rates. Eventually, they'll cause enough jobs to get lost. I'm so smart. I'm so smart. I'm going to tell you what's going to happen. Ready for this? Wait, baby.
If you hear this shit, you can't. Like, everybody that invests in hacks is a complete moron. Sorry if you're invested in hacks. Please get on my channel. No, like, really, you cannot listen to a guy that really makes himself so horny and be like, I'm so smart. Oh my God, I'm so smart. Check. Like, how can you listen to a guy with such a fucking God complex? It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous. Ridiculous. So, yeah. That's kind of my, like, for everybody that feels like, okay, I want to invest in hacks. This is the guy behind it, so please think twice. Okay, next. I want to wrap it up, but this is way too fun. Great info. I'd like to take some high risk, mid risk together, backed by some low. What? All right. Leave it, mate. I don't know. Again, we weigh. No. No. Yeah, I was talking in this video about 5 worst crypto influencers, and the Moon Carl was one of them. And yeah, go watch that video. I'm not saying anything about it right now, by the way. You need to make your videos shorter if you want people to watch your channel. Yeah, I'm making this one a little bit longer now. Why is there a fake FOMO bot on this channel? Bye-bye. Waiting for your response. Response! I don't know. Let me take a look. I don't know. What's this what about? Oh yeah, I talked about Bitcoin crashed after FTX, and someone said like, wake up, you're a day behind, it crashed already. Yeah, bro, it's not like I'm not a fucking journalist or a news reporter. I'm not like, if I have a life and a kid and all that kind of stuff, you know, so it's not like, if you want to watch the news, go watch the news, go watch Cointelegraph. That's not what I'm here to do, right? It's like, no, it's not like something happens and I'll be on cam right away like, oh guys, nah, come on, man, that's not my thing. Crypto isn't in trouble, FTX maybe. Yeah, you want to reconsider that? Crypto was kind of fucked. But anyway, yeah. All right. Oh yeah, this guy said, I never heard of these 5 high risk, high reward coins. Yeah, if they're high risk, they're usually low cap, and if they're low cap, they're not known. So then you probably haven't heard of them. I'm good to sticking to ISO 20022 coins. These are coins like XRP, Algorand, I think, like these kind of things. Like, you know, yeah, pretty safe one. Yeah, like most of these coins, it depends on what specific coins, but these ISO, these coins are like, you probably won't get wrecked that hard in a bear market, but you also probably won't make that much gains in a bull market. That's kind of what it does. Bitcoin, where are you going with my short? This is not what we agreed on, bitch. So, okay, guys, I want to end it here because this is getting exciting right now. So this is a good way to end the video. Keep in mind, I'm dropping this video as soon as I can, as soon as HD is processed. So Bitcoin is now, you know, breaking this level right here. That's pretty interesting. What we want to see, though, put your trading view on the 4-hour chart like I have right here, right? Wait for it to close at least one 4-hour candle above this line, right? Because what could happen is that we are doing something like this right now, and we do a fake out and then we move back into it. So that's not what you want. You want a full closure, all right? Look, and this is what I mean. Like, if it now comes down and it turns out to be a fake out, don't wait. Be patient with this kind of stuff. But if you put it on the 4-hour chart and it closes one candle above it and it closes another candle above it, and best would be to retest it, then you know we broke out of this range, and then things are starting to look a little better for now. And then is also the point when you might want to start look at longing. Although I want to tell you that we have some resistance sitting at 18K, but you know, from 17 to 18, there's not much. I think if we break this level like really and we close it, we can go to 18 pretty, you know, easy. So keep that in mind, but let's wait to see what happens right here. I want to wrap up the video because now it's indeed taking too long. So please, guys, like the video if you like the video. Let me know if you like these kind of comments videos. I'll do more if that's the case. And this, by the way, the reason why Bitcoin is going up. The DXY looks like Bitcoin and DXY, well, Bitcoin and stocks are finally getting kind of correlated right now. Although it's quite funny that this S&P is going down. I'll make a new video about this. We have to take a look at what's going on right here, but this might be pretty interesting. So guys, please like the video if you like the video. If you have an opinion about something, leave a comment, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye.